So what's up guys, welcome to my new S13 200SX. So what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm driving my new Nissan S13. I've wanted one of these for so long, it's insane. And this one also has a fucking turbo. I love it. This thing is basically 100% stock, exhaust stock, but the intake I just installed like an open filter so I can get this beautiful noise. I'm not sure how much of that you can actually hear, but I hope you can. We can do this as well. It's like my favorite noise in the whole world. Also, I'm sorry about the audio. The audio in this video is probably quite shit. Because I forgot my microphone. My real microphone, I forgot that at home, and home is about 3 hours away, so I don't feel like driving that far just for a microphone. But yeah, this is my S13. I love it. It's been my dream car for such a long time, and I can't believe I found a real nice one for a really good price. It's basically stock, and it actually pulls pretty hard, which I'm really surprised that it does. And this is stock. No one has fucked with the engine or anything. It was owned by a 65-year-old for the past 18 years. So no one has fucked with it. Okay, excuse my white pale ass legs. I need to get a tan. I need to see some sun. Like, everything with this is amazing. I've installed a new shift knob. It's a Tomei one, because I have the stock one right here. This is stock shift knob. Not the most beautiful thing in the world, as you can see, and it also weighs a lot. Like, this is just steel all the way through. This is aluminum, which I actually like the lighter feel. I like it a lot. Oh, the turbo noise. I fucking love it. Oh. Also, I'm sorry if this video is gonna be short. My GoPro has like no battery in it. So, it might turn off any second. No, I forgot my big boy camera, my DSLR. Ah, well, I guess I'll take photos some other day. But yeah, this is my S13. It has 90,000 miles. What else? Stock, just an intake. So I'm gonna weld a new exhaust for this thing next week when I get my muffler. I want to get some nice wheels and some coilovers. What I really want to do as well is I want to get a Type X kit, which I love the S13 Type X. Such a beautiful car. So I want to get a Type X kit for this. We'll see if I do that or when I do that. We'll also see if I up the boost a bit or if I just drive it stock. Also, no radio at the moment. Okay, now it's talking to rain. No radio at the moment. I've ordered one of those and it's coming. It's actually fast though. And that's like 3,000 RPM. Oh god, I need new wipers. I need new wipers so bad. But yeah, this shift knob feels great. The steering wheel feels great. I'm gonna swap this out for my Momo wheel that I have at home. So I need something sporty, you know. So I'm gonna swap that out and see if I like that more, if I like this more. Also, we're on our way to Mexico right now. So I'll talk to you when we're at Mexico. I can see Mexico up here. It was a long drive, went on a ferry, you know. But Mexico is right here. Here's the border. It's a free border. It's quite rainy here. I thought it was going to be hot and nice in Mexico. I believe I was wrong. Let's see if other people made it to Mexico today. There are usually people at Mexico, so we'll see. Seems like we have Mexico all to ourselves, and it's raining. Okay, I want to try a small donut in first gear. Okay, I push it out. Okay, now let's get it. That felt pretty okay. I love this car so much. That's pretty fun. That's too much fun. One wheel peeling. Okay, I get why people like these cars drift. Okay, I get it, why people like to drift these things. It's really fucking good. Absolutely love this thing. So nice to drift. Only thing, I would like to have like an LSD or to have or a welded diff. It's hard when it wants a one wheel peel. You get it sideways super easily, just go and then it one wheel peels, which I am not a fan of. That's some S13 drifting for you. I did not expect this to happen. I did not expect this to happen at all. I went out and it was just sunny and it was really nice weather. And then here now it just started to rain. I'm like, okay, well, like, why not do some drifting? Okay, wrong way. I'm supposed to go this way. There we go. So, I think that will do it for this video. This is my 1992 Nissan S13, Nissan, whatever you say, where you're from. But this is my S13. I'm gonna make it back home to Sweden. It was a nice trip to Mexico, even if it rained. The rain just made it more fun. But I hope you guys had a great time, and I'll see you guys in the next video.